Happy Halloween, knitters! I have a super fun, quick, and thrifty craft to share with you today. These gorgeous knitted pumpkins. You just need a very little bit of stash yarn of any weight and needles to match. A variety of yarn weights will mean a variety of pumpkin sizes. First, I followed the pattern to make a simple ball shaped with short rows, gathered one end of the ball with the yarn tail, and sewed the cast-on edge to the bound-off edge. Now I'll turn the ball inside out and shape the pumpkin. I'm using a strand of thin, smooth yarn and running the yarn through the garter ridges that extend the full length of the piece. I'm continuing around, running the yarn through each full-length garter ridge, leaving these loops at the open end loose to pull tight later. It's time to turn my pumpkin right side out and stuff it. I'm using yarn scraps to make this project even thriftier. Now the fun part, I'll just pull these strings to create the pumpkin ridges. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'll knot the gathering strings and tuck them inside the pumpkin. Next, I'll use one of my yarn tails to gather the end of the pumpkin closed, and I'll bury both of those ends in the pumpkin. Finally, I'll use another yarn to make a short I-cord stem, which I'll sew to the top of the pumpkin. So cute! Give this tutorial a try and be sure to follow us for more knitting fun.